Hey kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a science experiment. Science is so much fun. Let's light up a bulb. Yes. Let's begin.
Alright everyone, today we are going to do a science experiment with Parishay. Alright Parishay, we will light up this small teeny tiny bulb with the help of a battery holder, battery, some wires, 2 crocodile clips and a switch.
Mommy, I'm super excited.
First of all, we will place this small bulb inside this bulb holder. Alright. The bulb is fixed inside it. We'll put it aside. Now we will take this battery holder. It has 2 wires pointing out from both its ends. The next step is to complete the circuit. So first of all, we are going to attach this wire with one end of this electric switch. We attach this wire with this end of the switch, the black wire, and attach the naked part of the wires with the other end of the switch, like this. So this end goes to one end of the lamp holder, and to secure the connection we will use the alligator clips. Parishay, can you put the alligator clip on the wire?
Sure.
Please do that.
This one.
Open the clip. Yes, like this. Good girl. See? The connection is now secured. Similarly, we will do the same process with the other part of the wire that is hanging out of the battery holder. We will take the other carefully, take the other end of the lamp holder, and we will put. Now this connection is secured. Now it's time to put the battery inside the battery holder. Are you ready, Parishay? Wow, just look at that. We did it! Hey Parishay, can you dim the lights of the room so that we can see the lighted bulb clearly?
Yes.
Go dim the lights. A teeny tiny bulb here is all lit. Wow, amazing. It's all lit. Wow, do you see that? The bulb is all lit. You can turn the bulb off and on by using this electric switch. Can you do that? Careful not to touch the wires. Turn it off. Yes. Now we can turn it back on. So kids, how easy it is to make your own little light bulb or night lamp with the help of a few simple things that can be found lying around the house.
Wow, Mommy, so fun.
Science is fun and it's so interesting.
Hey kids, hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel and make more videos. See you next time. Bye.